Beautiful people, welcome back to a new video. We've changed position at the lake. Before we were back there parked, and now we are like at this pier style place close to the road. But super nice days, except that my brain is like going crazy. I couldn't sleep the past days, so it's like a bit of a mixed feelings situation. Was thinking about how the nearest future is going to be looking for myself and Helix, and looking at every perspective. Probably, you know it. I'm also an overthinking person, so yeah. Anyways, in this video, we're gonna be moving on. I heard about a nice beach a bit more down south on one of the legs of Peloponnese. So we're gonna try and do some, let's say, works, if possible. Works in the meaning of errands and chores, and head down there. Join me in this video. Just a sorry, just a day in Greece. And here we are the next day. We had a good drive yesterday, managed a lot of, let's say, way. We are now at Pylos. Back there it's the village of Pylos, where we're going to be staying some days. This is also, or more or less, that is where this nice beach is supposed to be. Yeah, you didn't see nothing. But me neither. This village lies in the Bay of Navarino, which is like basically all of this area here. And pretty idyllic. Regarding the works, I cannot show it to you now, but I will insert a clip of the exhaust being cut again. I think it's the 10th or 15th time that we are going to be repairing this exhaust. It's a situation that I am getting tired of, but it is what it is. So we didn't find a welder yesterday on the road down. Stopped at some places and asked the locals around, but yeah, most of them were shut or shutting because it was in real time Saturday. Anyways, so this is it. This video, as far as I understand now in the moment, it will be a patched up video of some different adventures going on here. We're going to be for sure driving hopefully around the leg of Peloponnese and towards Kalamata. So yeah. Friends of the way, this vlog is a big salad. At the end, we are not in Pylos anymore. The weather is better for sure, it's sunny, you can see. And we made our way towards Kalamata, let's call it the biggest city in the south of Peloponnese, where we're going to be tackling on the welding. This is our salad situation here going on. So we're going to try and do it now. We found a very good man who has a welding shop and is able to take us on in like, let's say, an hour. And this is also how it looks with the wait. This is the washing pandemonium inside Helix. didn't manage to dry everything in didn't manage to dry everything in Vilos. So yeah, it's inside here now. This is how it looks. And yeah. Beautiful people. This is the chopped up video and we're reaching the end slowly. We are now down in Mani. You will be seeing videos of the area here. We have been traveling a bit and we fixed I left you in Kalamata. This is how the exhaust looks like now, which is amazing. It's holding up, really super good work. And yeah, we found this spot, which is really nice, overlooking more or less the village of Vathia. Video is coming up also on Vathia, one of let's say an abandoned village here in the area of Mani. Yeah, this video is a salad. Thanks you that you're still here. Big up to you. Big kisses and hugs. Yeah, amazing area here. While being in Kalamata, the one day, let's say like this, on the way to Mani, I came across a park with the like old trains. That's how it looked like. Wow, here we are, a couple of steps up, a bit windy. We are at the church of the Mary who has shown herself, I guess, let's call it like that, Panagia Faneromeni. And yeah, we're a couple of steps up, as you've seen. Down there is Helix. And friends, thanks, I'm taking a bit shelter here from the wind because it's pretty windy. Big up to you again for like being here until this moment. This is like a big salad vlog, and thanks a lot for yeah, let's say staying to this moment. As an info, we are basically almost at the most southern point of the Peloponnese. Wait a sec. So yeah, let's say like down there it's the open sea. At one point comes Crete, and then I don't know, what is it, Libya, something like that, Africa. And at this point I'm gonna be leaving you, wishing you the best, all the health you can have it, every dream you want to be going after, go after. And we will be coming back to this spot at one point. At the moment, it is what it is. It was not the very best month for myself in terms of making videos and thoughts and all this shit. Excuse the language, but it is what it is. Keeping it short. See you in the next one. Peace out and love in. Tschüss.